What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers here, and today we're taking a look at the Reolink P750. It's a security camera with dual lenses in it. So we're going to unbox it and we're going to set it up. To start, Reolink did send me product, but opinions are that of Geekazine. This is a 16 megapixel UHD dual lens PoE security camera with power over Ethernet and a 180 degree panoramic view through the dual camera with a 2.7 inch CMOS sensor. It has motion tracking, spotlight night vision, and of course the 16 megapixel UHD helps see what's going on day or night. The device has the ability to plug in via power over Ethernet and can be plugged in via wall plug. There is no Wi-Fi to this unit, so you will have to run an Ethernet cable. The RJ45 is 100 megabit per second data transfer. Mounted to a wall, to a ceiling, inside or outside, the Duo 3 is 1.5 pounds and can be placed anywhere without shielding, as it is IP67 rated. A great feature with this camera is you're going to be able to get a full 180 degree view instead of having the PTZ camera turn, which you could lose important video. The Reolink has smart detection, so it won't trip every time a leaf falls, and the attached LED light can add to illumination, or you can disable it. It's got double warnings and two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with someone, and then of course the storage up to 256 gigabytes inside, allowing you to record the action along with sending to the cloud storage. It does connect up to Google and Home Assistant, allowing you to be able to call it up from multiple devices, or from the Reolink app. Finally, it has a sturdy mount that holds onto the camera and can be positioned in multiple ways. Resolution is 7680 by 2160 or 16 megapixels at 20 frames per second. The infrared night vision can capture up to 30 meters away, and the color night vision with the spotlight will work at 5 watts, 6500 Kelvin at 560 lumens. And that is the P750 over at Reolink, over at Reolink.com. Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine, Geekazine.com, YouTube.com/Geekazine, where you can like, subscribe, comment, bell notifications so you know when the next video comes out. Till next time, you guys geek out and stay secure with Reolink. Of course, Geekazine has a whole bunch of merch, including t-shirts and hoodies. Like, for instance, the Geekazine logo hoodie. We got some great t-shirts, including 80s Jesus Saved Me, Guardian of the Geekery, the original Geek AI t-shirt. We have a couple variations of this one. And then I Like Geek Butts and I Cannot Live. There are several more and more that are being added to the Geekazine merch page, so you can check that out over at Teespring. If you're on YouTube, you'll see those links below. And then over at Amazon.com/shop/Geekazine. I appreciate that very much because it does support the channel.